Here we are at the end of week 2. Last week we did the demo, we were getting ready for the floor beams and so forth. This week we have 2 large beams installed in the attic that load down to these beams that we put in the floor here and over there. This is the new living space. Of course, the kitchen plumbing has to go. The plumber's only been here for a day. We've got a couple more days to go. We move into the kitchen area. We've got a pantry with a pull-out workstation. We've got a 10-foot island. We have fridge, cabinetry, stove, cabinetry, and we'll frame in the new patio door that hasn't come yet. So that's in next week. The entry here into the bedroom, we have a nice big space, 13.5 by 10.5. Pocket door into the closet with 5 feet of clothes on the left, 5 feet of clothes on the right. Into the bathroom, we've got the beam installed, the toilet will go here, shower here, bathtub here, vanity here. This window will get changed as well. We are well on our way. By the end of next week, we'll start drywall. I'm excited.